Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I've shared my screen. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So in the class on Tuesday, the last class on Tuesday, we had discussed the answers to these questions. Question number 1, 2, 3, and 8. Okay. So we discussed the answers to these 4 questions in the class, and I had promised to share the images on WhatsApp so that you can complete the classwork. But I didn't send. So we'll complete the classwork and then proceed with the class. Okay? Yeah, please write down. We'll complete the classwork. I repeat, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, and question number 8 have been explained in the last class. So please complete the classwork. And then we'll continue. We'll start with a new set of questions for today's class. Yeah, please start writing. Write the question as well as the answer. As you write, if you have any doubt, please ask me. Let me know when you finish writing so that I can take you to the next slide. Done writing?
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Done. Done, ma'am.
All right. Yeah, there's the next one. Done, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. This is the alternate solution. Please write on this also. Same question. Same question, alternate solution. Completed, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Completed, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can we do the sum by our own?
Come again?
Can we do the sum by our own?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Please draw the diagram. Mark the angles and the unknown values x, y, z. So how do we find the magnitude of x? X and 40 form a linear pair, right?
Linear pair. 140 degrees.
Correct. X and 40 form a linear pair. So x plus 40 is equal to 180. So that's how we will find x. What about y?
Ma'am, same linear pair. No, ma'am, ma'am, angles are property of interior angles.
Okay. So you see here, I have used the exterior angle property. Now, this side AC of the triangle ABC has been produced. The side AC of triangle ABC has been produced to this point F. So this exterior angle is formed. This is its interior angle. This is the exterior angle. This is its interior angle. These are the two interior opposite angles.
Yes, ma'am.
Exterior angle, its interior angle, leave that. These are the two interior opposite angles. Interior opposite angles, yeah, interior opposite angles are two interior angles of the triangle. A triangle has three interior angles, right? A triangle has three interior angles. See, these are the three interior angles of the triangle. Okay. This is the exterior angle. Leave the immediate interior angle. Leave this. The remaining two interior angles. So this angle, exterior angle, is equal to the sum of these two angles.
130.
130. And how do we find Z?
Ma'am, linear pair. 90
Linear
degrees.
pair. Linear pair. Very good. Yeah.
What is axiom?
What?
It's written like linear pair axiom.
Axiom. Axiom. Yeah. Axiom. See, if a statement has a proof,
Yes,
if a statement has a proof, it's called a theorem.
Yeah.
Axiom is something which is, which can be accepted even without a proof. We'll come to that later. Yeah.
Okay.
See, the two terms are axioms and theorems. Theorems are statements that have proofs. Axioms are statements that are universally accepted even without a proof. All of us will believe it is true. Yeah. When you can believe a statement without a proof, because it's universally accepted, it's an axiom. Theorems have proofs. Linear pair axiom. You can just say linear pair. You will learn about axioms and theorems later.
Okay, ma'am.
You don't have to take the alternate solution. Don't do that. Just work this one. Just work this one.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I didn't mean to say that, but I still I told you.
The question is to find x plus y plus z. So we found x, we found y, we found z. Now find x plus y plus z. 140 plus 130 plus 90, which is 360. And you know that the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degrees. And see this? We know that the sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degrees. What? Okay, please listen. So x, y, and z are the three exterior angles of this triangle ABC. X, y, and z are the three exterior angles of this triangle ABC. And we know that the sum of all the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degrees. And see, that's what we've got. Completed?
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
So x plus 40 is equal to 180 degrees, linear pair axiom. So x is 140. Then y we find using the exterior angle property of a triangle. This is the exterior angle. This is its immediate interior angle. Leave this angle. These are the two other interior angles of the triangle. So this exterior angle is equal to the sum of these two interior opposite angles. So y is equal to 90 plus 40, 130 degrees. Z plus 90 is equal to 180, linear pair. Okay, Z plus 90 is equal to 180, so Z is 90. Now x plus y plus z is equal to 140 plus 130 plus 90, which is 360. And it has to be 360 because the sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is always 360 degrees. So here you have a quadrilateral. The measures of 3 angles are given to you. The measure of 3 of its interior angles given to you. You need to find the measure of the 4th angle x. See, we know that the sum of all the angles in a quadrilateral is 360. And you can also work it. You can also show the working. How do you find the sum of all the interior angles? N minus 2 into 180, where n is the number of sides of the polygon. So this polygon has 4 sides. So 4 minus 2 into 180, which is 360 degrees. And then 60 plus 110 plus 120 plus x. The sum of the 4 angles is equal to 360. Yeah, finish this.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Next one. Okay. So the question is find x plus y plus z plus t. X, y, z, and t. So now this figure, let me just mark the vertices first so that we understand how many sides this polygon has. Vertex A, vertex B, vertex C, vertex D. Now let's join the vertices. Side AB, side BC, side CD, side DA. So 1, 2, okay, let me start 1 here. AB is 1, side AB 1, side BC 2, side CD 3, and side DA 4. So the vertices are A, B, C, and D. So 4 vertices meaning 4 sides. So it's a quadrilateral. You can just count the vertices. So that will be equal to the number of sides also. So ABCD is a quadrilateral. And a quadrilateral has 4 interior angles and 4 exterior angles. Okay, 4 interior and 4 exterior angles. So see here, this 130 degrees. Please listen to me. Don't start working. Are you all listening to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please listen. So 130 degrees is an interior angle of this quadrilateral, and its corresponding exterior angle is x. 90 degrees is an interior angle of this quadrilateral, and its corresponding exterior angle is y. 50 degrees is an interior angle of this quadrilateral, and its corresponding exterior angle is z. And angle D, its measure is not known. Angle D is an interior angle of this quadrilateral, and its corresponding exterior angle is T. We'll see again. ABCD is a quadrilateral. You need to first identify that. It's a polygon. How many sides? Okay, so what is the name of the polygon? Only then you can, you see, after you identify the number of sides in the polygon, you will have to find the angle sum property or the sum of the interior angles using the formula n-2 into 180. Okay, so ABCD, 4 vertices, so 4 sides, it's a quadrilateral. Interior angle, its corresponding exterior angle. Interior angle, its corresponding exterior angle. Interior angle, its corresponding exterior angle. Interior angle, corresponding exterior angle. Now, how do you identify it's the exterior angle? See here, the side is produced, no? This is the side of the quadrilateral. It's produced. DA is a side of the quadrilateral. You can see it's produced to P. The side DA of the quadrilateral ABCD is produced to this point P. When a side is produced, when a side of the polygon is produced, exterior angle is formed. That's how this angle is formed, X, which is marked X. Side AB of the quadrilateral ABCD is produced to a point Q. Whenever a side is produced, exterior angle is formed. Side AB is produced. Produced means it should continue the same straight line. You cannot bend it like this. See, you can't produce like this. You must produce it in the same straight line. See, you cannot go like this. This is AB, right? You can't go like this and say I've produced it. No. Producing is continuing it in the same straight line. So AB, side of the quadrilateral, it's produced to this point Q. And since the side is produced, exterior angle is formed, which is called Y here. Then side BC is produced to this point R. And because the side is produced, this exterior angle is formed, which is marked Z. So AB is produced to Q and Y is formed, exterior angle Y is formed. BC is produced to R and the exterior angle Z is formed. CD is produced to the point S and this exterior angle T is formed. And the side DA is produced to this point P and the exterior angle X is formed. Exterior angles are formed when the sides of the polygon are produced in the same straight line. Okay, so now we have to find X plus Y plus Z plus T. Now tell me what should be the answer? Quick, what should be the answer?
Ma'am, Z is equal to 130.
No, without, excuse me. That's how you have to work, but you can tell me this answer even without calculating.
Yeah, that's what we're saying, ma'am. 130 directly.
No. I want the answer for X plus Y plus Z plus T directly.
360.
Yeah, 360 degrees. X plus Y plus Z plus T will be equal to 360 degrees because These are the four exterior angles.
Yes,
X, Y, Z, and T are the four exterior angles of this quadrilateral ABCD. And we know that in any polygon, the sum of the exterior angles is always 360 degrees. So the answer will be 360. But you have to find X, Y, Z, and T, and then find the sum. You'll have to find the measure of X, Y, Z, and T, and then find the sum. All right. Yeah. Please work.
ma'am, should we draw the solution diagram?
Yes, yes, because yeah, okay. See, the thing is, how will you know that A was not marked in the question figure? See, I have marked A. I have shown the diagram again because I've marked A, which was not marked in the question, right?
Okay, ma'am, we'll draw it.
Maybe you can draw the question figure using a pen and then mark A using a pencil so that when you revise, you realize that A was not marked.
Ma'am, we have drawn question diagram in pencil. Can you mark A in pen?
Black pen. Make some difference like that. Yeah, make some difference like that so that you know that, it was not given. That's important. Yeah. When you revise, you should realize that A was not marked in the question figure. Yeah, please work. I'll come back. Yeah. Thank you, children. I'm back. Finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So the first thing is to find the, we know that the sum of the four interior angles in a quadrilateral is 360. However, you can just show these steps, to impress your teacher that, yeah, you know how to find the sum, all right? And then I have marked this angle as A. The sum of the four interior angles, A plus 130 plus 90 plus 50 is equal to 360. The sum of the four interior angles is equal to 360 degrees. So working this, you're able to find the value of A, the measure of angle A. Okay. That is angle D, which is marked A. A is 90 degrees. The measure of angle D, is 90 degrees, which is marked A. Okay, so A is 90 degrees. Now find all the exterior angles. So what do we have? 90 plus T, that is A plus T, right? A plus T is equal to 180, linear pair. So like that you can find T. Then X plus 130 is equal to 180. X plus 130 is equal to 180. So with this you can find X. Then 90 plus Y is equal to 180, or Y plus 90 is equal to 180. So you can find Y, and then 50 plus Z, or Z plus 50 is equal to 180. So Z is 130. So using linear pair axiom, the sum of the two angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. The sum of the two angles on a straight line, and there's a ray on it, the sum of these two angles is always 180 degrees. Straight line, ray. The sum of these two angles is 180 degrees. So that's what we have everywhere. This is the straight line. This is the ray. So the sum of these two angles is 180. This is the straight line. This is the ray. 130 plus X is 180. This is the straight line. This is the ray. So 90 plus Y is 180. This is the straight line. This is the ray. So 50 plus Z is equal to 180. So like this, you find the values of X, Y, Z, and A. Not A, sorry, and T. X, Y, Z, and T. And then find X plus Y plus Z plus T. You know you must get 360 degrees. Okay. Yeah, this is the next one. Vertex A, vertex B, vertex C, vertex D. So ABCD is a quadrilateral. And its exterior angles are marked 115, 50 degrees, 90 degrees, and X. We know that the sum of the four exterior angles of the quadrilateral is 360. Working this, you can find the value of X. Now, how do you make out that they are exterior angles? Because you can see this is the side DA. Listen to me. And it's produced to E. Can you see the side DA of the quadrilateral is produced to this point F. And so this exterior angle is formed. Similarly, the side AB is produced to F. And this exterior angle is formed. The side BC is produced to G. And this exterior angle is formed. The side CD is produced to H. And this exterior angle is formed. Okay, ma'am. Yeah. Please complete this. See, how do you draw this figure? See here. One line like this. See here, like this. 1, 2, 3. So big. See here. 3 and 4. You can slightly extend this portion. They're very small in the figure here. You can just pull it. You can pull it like this so that it's more clear. You can pull it. Finish, children?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Yeah, this one we already discussed in the last class, so you can start writing. We'll come back in some time.
Turn on. Ma'am, you can go to the next slide.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm back, children.
Yes, ma'am.
So what in this question? Find the angle measure x. Okay. Okay. So first tell me, how many vertices does this polygon have?
Ma'am, 5.
5. See, don't count the points x and y as vertices. Don't count the points x and y as vertices. Vertices are the corners of the polygon we see here. The corners of the polygon we see here. Okay, so A, B, C, D, and E. 5 vertices. So it has 5 sides. So it's a pentagon. See it? Vertex A and vertex B connected. Side AB. Vertex B is connected to vertex C. So side BC. Vertex C is connected to vertex D. So side CD. Similarly, side DE by connecting the vertices D and E. And the side EA by connecting the vertices E and A. So A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E is a pentagon. So now we need to find the sum of all the angles, the sum of all the interior angles of this pentagon. In general, for a polygon is n minus 2 into 180. For a pentagon, it will be 5 minus 2 into 180. This is the formula. This is the general one. The sum of all the interior angles of any polygon is n minus 2 into 180. So for the pentagon will be 5 minus 2 because 5 sides. So 5 minus 2 into 180, which is 540 degrees. So you need to first find the sum of all the 5 interior angles of the pentagon. So it's 540. Any pentagon, even if it's a regular pentagon, the sum will be 540. 5-sided polygon, pentagon, 5 interior angles. The sum of the 5 interior angles is equal to 540. Even in the case of a regular pentagon, it will be the same. So in the case of a regular pentagon, because the total is 540 degrees, each angle will be 540 by 5, which is 108 degrees. In the case of a regular pentagon, the sum of all the the sum of all the interior angles is 540 degrees, right? So each interior angle will be 540 by 5, 108 degrees. Because in a regular pentagon, all the 5 sides are equal and all the 5 interior angles are also equal in measure. So each one will be 108 degrees. Okay. So the question is to find the measure of, so you can see that in this pentagon, these two angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle D. The measure of angle A, the measure of the interior angle A is the same as the measure of the interior angle D. Interior angles A and D, they have the same measure. That's why they are marked with the same letter X. Okay, so we need to find the value of X. So for that, I have marked this one as A and this one as B. And we find A and B using linear paraxiom. So A plus 60 is equal to 180. A plus 60 is equal to 180. A is equal to 120. B plus 50. See, 50 plus B or B plus 50 is equal to 180. So B is equal to 130 linear pair by linear pair. Now look at all the interior angles of the polygon. Interior angles. How much is this one? We found how much is this? What's the measure of this one?
Ma'am, 120.
This one?
Ma'am, 130.
This one?
130. Ma'am, 50.
50. And we have to find the value of X. So what is the equation? Yes, the sum of the 5 angles is equal to 540.
360. 540. 540.
540.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So 50 plus 2x plus 130 plus 120
is equal to 540.
540.
So A plus B. So I've used this figure. See here in my answer figure, this is my answer figure. A plus B plus X plus 50. The 5 interior angles. A plus B plus X plus 50 is equal to 540. So we found A, it's 120, B is 130, X and X is 2X plus 50 is equal to 540. So 120 and 130 is 250, 250 plus 50, 300. On the other side, minus 300. So 2X is equal to 540 minus 300. So X is equal to, the difference is 240. So 2X is equal to 240. You can just include that step here. 2X is equal to 240. So X is equal to 240 by 2, which is 120 degrees. Easy, children?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Nice. Yeah. We'll just do one solution. So here, find the angle measure X in the given figure. So can you see these lines marked? What do they indicate? What does this indicate?
They're equal. It's a regular pentagon. It's a regular pentagon.
Correct. It's a regular pentagon. Pentagon because the polygon has 5 sides.
5 sides.
Correct. And all the 5 sides are marked equal. These little, yeah. These little markings here, they indicate that all the sides are equal. So that means the measure of each interior angle, all the interior angles will have the same measure. So if this is X, if this is X, this is also X, this is X, this is X, this is also X. do it here. Yeah. So sum of all interior angles of a polygon is given by the formula n minus 2 into 180 degrees. So sum of all interior angles of a pentagon is equal to pi minus 2 into 180, 3 into 180, 540 degrees. I'm just coming, children. Please write down the question and write down to the extent I have worked on the screen. I'm just coming.
Ma'am, completed, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, Harini, you please wait.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, Abhi, please write.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. Work the first one. Okay, show you the question. Sorry. Write down this question.
Ma'am,
Yeah, this is the question. Yeah.
ma'am, is there any time changes?
I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Yes.
Ma'am, should we write this as 10 or 1?
No, yeah, no, you continue with your serial number. No, 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 no.
Okay.
Okay. So tell me the formula to find the number of diagonals.
Ma'am,
In a polygon?
n into n minus 3 by 2.
Okay. So number of diagonals in a polygon is equal to n into n minus 3 by 2. Yeah. Do the first one. Leave some space for the second and third one. You can complete it later. Or okay, fine. I'll wait to complete it. Finish all the 3 children.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can we put like note and put the diagonal formula so that we in the each of like suppose we are doing heptagon, we don't need to put the formula. Like, can we put the diagonal formula as a note? Note.
Please write. Please write for every answer. Just write the formula.
Okay.
Yeah. Finish, children?
Yes. No, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Done, children?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, I should have completed by now.
Ma'am, last one. I'm completed, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, work this.
Ma'am, others didn't complete yet the first sum. Ma'am, the third sum. We are writing the third one. The first one. Actually,
Okay,
ma'am,
let him
I'll
finish it.
do it by my own. Ma'am, I'll do it by
No,
my
he
own.
will. Yeah, this is the next. Sorry, not this. This is the next question. Please write down the question. What is the sum of all interior angles of a polygon of n sides, 7 sides, 8 sides, 10 sides? Or you can directly, 1 minute, you can just directly put it here.
Ma'am, your presentation and your video is also stuck, ma'am.
Leave the meeting and rejoin.
Okay.
Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the question is to find the sum of all the interior angles of a polygon of n sides, 7 sides, 8 sides, and 10 sides. So you know the formula is n minus 2 into 180. So a polygon with n sides will be n minus 2 into 180. A polygon with y sides will be y minus 2 into 180. A polygon with x sides will be x minus 2 into 180. Whatever is the number of sides, minus 2. Whatever is the number of sides, minus 2 into 180. Okay. Yeah. This is the next question. Do this. So I want you to try the remaining 3. We'll just listen to this. See, the question is to find the measure of each. Please stop writing. Please stop writing. Listen to me. The question is to find the measure of each interior angle. Each interior angle. Then it should be a regular polygon. Each means it should be regular. Only then you can find. So find the measure of each interior angle of a regular pentagon. So first we'll find the sum of all the angles. We have to find the measure of each angle. Okay, first we'll find the sum of all the angles. It's 540. See, whether it is a regular pentagon or just a pentagon, this is the formula to find the sum of all the angles. So any pentagon, regular, irregular, the sum of all the 5 interior angles will be 540 degrees. Now it's given it's a regular pentagon, right? So measure of each interior angle of a regular pentagon. The sum of all the angles is 540. So each one will be 540 by 5. Because a pentagon has 5 sides, that means 5 interior angles. So the 5 angles are equal. So they'll share this total equally. 540 by 5, which is 108 degrees. This is one way of working. Otherwise, what you can do is you can find the exterior angle. You can find each exterior angle and then find each interior angle. You can find each exterior angle. Here, in the first method, what we have done is we have found the sum of all the interior angles. Sum of all the interior angles of the pentagon. And then we divide it by 5 to find the measure of each interior angle. The alternate working is you can find the measure of each exterior angle. They have asked you to find the measure of each interior angle, but you find the measure of each exterior angle. Okay, so we know the formula is 360 by n because the total of all the exterior angles is 360. So each will be 360 by n. That's a general formula. The total exterior angle pentagon. So irrespective of the number of sides, the sum of all the exterior angles is always 360. So each one will be 360 by n. What is n? The number of sides. That means the number of angles also it is. N is the number of sides. It's also the number of angles. 360 by n. So for a regular pentagon will be 360 by 5, 72 degrees. This is the measure of each exterior. Oh, I wrote interior by mistake. Sorry, each exterior.
Ma'am, your voice is crackling a little bit.
Now or for some time?
No, like now, like, yeah.
Leave the meeting and rejoin. I'll wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So each exterior angle will be 360 by n. Now this is a pentagon, so it will be 360 by 5, 72 degrees. We know that each interior angle plus each exterior angle is equal to 180 degrees. Each interior angle plus each exterior angle is equal to 180 degrees. So each interior angle plus 72, because each exterior angle is 72, is equal to 180. So each interior angle is equal to 180 minus 72, which is 108. So see it, same answer.
Ma'am, now
Two
your
different
presentation
methods.
is not visible. Now your presentation is visible. Yes, ma'am.
No, actually, you have to leave and rejoin. I'll wait for some time. Done writing? Am I audible? Done writing, children?
Ma'am, we should write the alternate solution. I went to the next one.
No, I asked you to write both.
Oh, I leave some space for the alternate solution, ma'am.
Now, what have you completed now?
The first one we have. Ma'am, I've completed the pentagon once, one method and the hexagon.
Okay.
I leave some space for the alternate method for the first one.
No, you please do it now. We'll do second one also together. 3 and 4 you can try as homework. Okay, let me do one thing. I'll share the image. No, you please finish it, children. That's better because very important. Finish it.
Fully.
Do it now in the class. Complete it now. Let me know once you finish.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, should we do the third and fourth also now?
No, 1 second. See, finish the alternate solution of the first subdivision and let me know. 3 and 4 homework. Okay. That means after the class. Yeah. You can go home and do it. 1 and 2, 1 we have, you can also, sorry, 1 I've already worked, you can say it. 2 we'll do it together. 3, 4 homework. Finish the alternate solution of 1 and let me know.
Okay.
Finish writing the alternate solution of subdivision 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we'll do the second one together. Now tell me, what is the formula to find the sum of all interior angles of a polygon? What is the formula to find the sum of all the interior angles of a polygon? See, like
N minus 2 into 180 into n minus 2 into 180.
n minus 2 into 180 degrees is the formula to find the sum of all the interior angles in a polygon. Okay, so sum of all interior angles of a hexagon. The second one is about a hexagon. Of a hexagon will be equal to how many sides?
6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 into 180. Ma'am, 4 into 180, which is 720.
Okay. So a hexagon has 6 sides and six sides and 6 interior angles. The sum of the 6 interior angles is 720 degrees. Now this one is a regular hexagon. See, it's given in the question. It's a regular hexagon.
And so each interior angle of a regular hexagon is equal to 720 by 6, which is 120.
Correct. So each interior angle of a regular hexagon, because the sum of all the 6 angles is 720. So each interior angle of a regular hexagon will be equal to 720 divided by 6, which is 120 degrees. Now this is one way of working. Listen to the alternate solution. What is the sum of all the exterior angles
360.
of a polygon?
And 360.
Yeah.
Any type of polygon, it will be only 360.
Correct. Sum of all exterior angles. Sum of all exterior angles of a polygon. Any polygon, regular, irregular, any number of sides. Sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon is always 360 degrees. The sum of the interior angles will change. Will keep increasing. As the number of sides increase, the total, the sum of all the interior angles will also keep increasing. See, for a triangle, it's 180. Quadrilateral, 360. Pentagon, 540. Hexagon, 720. So it keeps increasing. 180, 360, 540, 720. As the number of sides increase, the total sum of the interior angles will also increase. But the sum of all the exterior angles is always the same, 360 degrees. Sum of all exterior angles of a polygon is 360. So each exterior angle, I'll just work it like I worked the earlier one. Yeah. Okay, I wrote the formula for each exterior angle. Okay. So each exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to what? 360 by n. Each exterior angle of a regular polygon will be 360 by n, number of sides, because number of sides is equal to the number of angles. Each angle will be 360 by n. So then what is each exterior angle of a regular
360 by 6
hexagon? 360 by 6.
It's a 60.
So 60 degrees. See, we've written the formula first. Sum of all the exterior angles is 360. Each exterior angle will be 360 by n. Now this one is a hexagon, 6 sides. So each exterior angle will be 360 by 6, which is 60 degrees. Now this is each exterior angle, but the question is to find each interior angle. So now we know this equation. Each interior angle plus each exterior angle is equal to 180 degrees, linear pair. So each interior angle plus 60 degrees is because each exterior angle is 60. Okay, is equal to 180. So each interior angle is equal to 180 minus 60, which is 120 degrees. See, this is an alternate solution, not a continuation. Or there's an alternate solution. Yeah, write down.
Done, ma'am. And something is hiding the presentation, ma'am. It is 180 minus 50, which is 120.
Okay. No, Navneet. Yeah. Is it visible now?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Done writing?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Harani?
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Just a minute. All right. Now I was just looking at how many more, type of questions we have. We have quite a few, so we have to take it up in the next session. I thought I can just, do some crash explanation and finish it, but no, there is quite, yeah. So we'll do it in the next class. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Thank you. You may leave the call.
Thank you, ma'am.